Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do us a favor, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so you would never miss any important updates. If you've been following this channel, you notice that recently I started my own Kinemaster series, Kinemaster editing tutorials for beginners. I will put a link to all the Kinemaster editing videos, so you'll see a link on top of the screen. You can click on it and it will take you to a playlist of all the Kinemaster editing videos. Kinemaster is one of the pro apps I listed in my top 5 video editing apps. It's by far the best Android and mobile editing app I've come across. I've used quite a number of them, but Kinemaster still remains the best. But one sad thing about it is it's a paid app. In order to remove their watermark, you need to pay for the premium. But in another video I will show you how I export my videos without the watermark, so you might want to stay tuned to this channel and hit that subscribe button. In this video I'm just going to show you the major updates Kinemaster received recently, about a week or two ago. And the major updates, as you can see, once it's on this page when you're creating your project. Prior to now, Kinemaster only has 3 aspect ratio. You can select from the 16:9, 9:16 and 1:1, but now you can see that they've added an additional 4 extra layers which you can choose from. And before if you select an aspect ratio, you have to maintain that aspect ratio throughout the entire duration of the project. You cannot switch between ratios. But this updated app, you can select YouTube for now, and maybe in the future you want to do it for Twitter or TikTok or Insta story. You can come and export your videos in that aspect ratio. So that's one of the cool features I've seen about this new update, and it's awesome to update your app if you'd want to switch between aspect ratio. So, but overall there is not much change on the app. I'll just walk you through the recent updates I've seen. As we progress, I will also mention the ones I've witnessed as I use the app. So I'll just select like a black background and do some little editing. Then I'll add a media file just to show you some basic things that were added. You can see that most of the features are still the same, so you don't have to get overwhelmed. Everything is much the same with the old one. It's just that they have a better UI and some updated features. That is what's noticing. If I can locate where my files are. Okay, I'll just add 2 clips. And this is just a screen record of a highlight I did when playing a game. So you can use it for any of your videos and maintain what you've done. So I'll just add them. I'll leave the default at that. Right out of the box, I'll just show you one of the important thing I noticed. From here now, you can, once you select a layer, you can take a capture and save. You can take and add as a clip. Before, you can just take a clip and add as a layer, but now you can add as a clip, or you can add as a layer, whichever one you want. I'll just save and add as a layer, and you will see it's underneath here. I'm going to undo this because I don't need that layer. Another thing to note is this awesome feature here. This is still the same. You can reduce if your layers are much. You can use this to trim down and to see more of your layers, and it will have this small playhead here. So this another awesome feature that I've seen. You can use this icon here to navigate to the previous point. You can navigate to the beginning and you can navigate to the end. So I will move to the end and it will take me automatically. So if you are doing like a long video clip and you've started for quite a time, you can use it to navigate around. If you have more clips, you can move to the previous point depending on where you are, and it will work the same way. So generally most of the features are the same. The animation, the chroma key effects, all are the same. Nothing's changed here. So this is by far what I've seen. So and you can notice from here their watermark has changed. Before they had this made with Kinemaster, but now they've added their logo there. So these are just the updates, and I will try to export this in another aspect ratio. So this is what I've been working on. I can choose to switch if I want to do it for, let's say, an Instagram post. I'll select this and it has created a copy for me using that aspect ratio, and I can edit as needed. As you can see, this is my clip, and I can trim down so it aligns properly with my content area. So this is a very cool feature that Kinemaster, I don't know, maybe someone has been complaining, because before you cannot change your aspect ratio once you select it at the beginning of your editing. But thanks to this update, you can export one video in many different aspect ratios. You are no more limited to one aspect ratio per project. So this is an awesome feature. I think it's worth noting. To get this updated app, you can just go to your app store if you are on iPhone or Android. If you're on iPhone, go to the App Store. If you're on Android, you can go to your Google Play Store, or you can go to the Kinemaster official website and download for your specific operating system. This is just an intro, and there will be more Kinemaster series, more intro for YouTube channel making, more editing tips, YouTube packs. So you want to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.